Hello and welcome to the Kucoin Sign Up and Getting Started tutorial, brought to you by Cryptocurrency Enterprises. The first step is to create your account. Click the link below to get started. If you heard about Kucoin from a friend, please use their referral link when signing up. Now that you're on the Kucoin website, click Sign Up. First, read the terms of use. Click that you accept the terms and continue. Click Next. Enter your email. Create a password. Confirm your new password. Then click Next. You'll now receive an email from Kucoin. Click the link in the email to activate your account. Now that you've confirmed your account, log in. Now that you've logged in, you'll be on the home screen. Here you can see markets, assets, account, discover, news, and help. To the right, you can see a quick drop down menu of all your assets, the available amount you have, in orders, and your chosen currency. Down the bottom, you can see details, deposit and withdrawal. To the right, you have a logout button. Scroll down, you can see some different price charts and a support button. Also, as you scroll to the bottom, you can see different promotions, announcements, and a log. In the footer, you can see about Kucoin, the team, and the changelog. You can see all the legal documents for terms of use, privacy policy, and AML and CFT. Beside that, you can see trading, the API documentation, fees, and how to add a token for listing. Next, you can see the Contact Us and Help Center. And to the right, you can see links to social media accounts for Kucoin on Facebook, Reddit, Telegram, English, and Twitter. You also have the downloadable versions for mobile phone. Let's look at each section in more detail. First, we'll have a look at the markets. Now we're on the markets page. You can see the different currency pairs for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neo, USDT, and KCS. So here we're looking at all the Bitcoin pairs. You can see the last price, the change, the amount in 24-hour volume. Here the volume, 24 hours. And fast trading to buy and sell. And the operation. Here you can click to make this pair one of your favorites. You can click on any of the chosen pairs and get some more information. Here you can see a current price chart, and up the top here is a bunch of different tools. You can set time, candles, bars, hollow candles, lines, bunch of good tools there. Next is the chart properties, indicators. Here you can compare or add symbol, and full screen the mode. To the right, you can see the order book for sellers and buyers. To the right, you can see when these orders were placed, their time, the price, and the amount. We scroll down to here, we can buy Ethereum, and we can sell Ethereum. To the left of the buy sell, you can see your open orders and trade history. And to the very left, you can see market depth. Next is your favorites. To make your currency pair one of your favorites, simply go across to the right and click the star. Favorites will now appear with yellow stars beside them. Click on the star on the left hand side to see all your favorites. Next is hold. Here you'll see the coin that you hold, the last price, the change, the amount, volume, fast trading, and the operation. Up the top you have the cog settings. Here you can hide symbols in which your holdings are worth less than. You can enter your amount. Next we'll look at the buy sell using fast trading. For fast buy, simply enter the price, enter the amount of currency you'd like. Here you can set the ratio in your account. See your fee, click buy, and follow the prompts to continue. To quick sell, is very similar. Enter the price, the amount, the ratio, see your fee, and click sell. Follow the prompts to continue. Next, we'll look at assets. In the assets section, you can see the overview of all your different wallets, deposit, withdrawal, open orders, trade history, reward history, and referral bonus. To make a deposit or withdrawal, simply click either of the buttons and follow the prompts to continue. Next, we'll look at account. In your account you can see the estimated value, available, and in orders. Below that you can see an overview, which we're in now. Your KYC authentication, password, Google 2-step, API keys, terms of use. Next, look at Discover. Vote for coin. Here, you can vote for your favourite coins. Next is the news. Here you'll find all the latest news and articles related to Kucoin. Now we'll look at the Help Center. In the Help section, you'll find everything you need to know on security, registering and logging in, deposits and withdrawals, fees, account security, official cooperation, and promotions. We highly recommend that you take the time to go through all of these different sections and get familiar with how Kucoin operates and functions. That concludes the Kucoin sign up and getting started tutorial. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out our website, and like our Facebook page.